Hello everyone. So today let's memorize all the cephalosporin drugs in a very easy way. So cephalosporin drugs, the drug name itself starts with Ceph. It may be the spelling may be CEP or CEF, whatever it is, but it sounds like Ceph. So those are considered as cephalosporin drugs. So we have cephalosporin generations. So there are 5 generations drugs. So how to remember, how to differentiate between first generation, second generation, and third generation. I'm going to give you the very easy way to memorize, and you will be able to differentiate the generations of all the other drugs. Okay, so let's start. First generation. First generation में whatever the name it is, C. Whatever the name it is, Ceph it will be, but after Ceph there will be A. There will be A. So remember, A is the first alphabet, right? So that's why first generation will always have A after Ceph. So Ceph, just beside Ceph, there will be A. That will be considered as the first generation cephalosporins. They are cephalodoxil, cephalexin, cefazolin, and cephradine. Okay, but remember one thing, except cefaclor. Cefaclor, it belongs to second generation. I hope you will remember only one drug which is excluded from this rule. That is, after Ceph there will be A. That will be considered as the first generation drugs, except cefaclor. Okay, so let's know about the second generation. Second generation, I just kept it aside for some time. I'll be telling you as soon as possible, but right now let's jump on to third generation. Third generation, it's about me 110 third generation. Let's say like there is a room. This room has 3 people. Okay, so one person, first person is opposite to second person, and the second person is opposite to third person. Okay, so these 3 people are opposite to each other. So first person will tell 1, second person will tell, he thinks like saying opposite to 1, that is 10. Okay, and after he says 10, he will say completely opposite, that is me. Okay, so one will say 1, the first one will say 1, then the second one will say 10, and the third one will say me, that is me 1 10. If any of the drug which contains me 1 or 10, anyone among this, that will be considered as a third generation cephalosporin. Let's see the drugs. Cefixim has me, that is me, so the third person said me, so this belongs to third generation. And the next one is ceftadizime. Okay, it also has me, so it will be considered as the third generation. And ceftriaxone 1, it ends with 1, so third generation. And cefoperazone 1, it again ends with 1, so that's third generation. And ceftibuten, so ends with 10, so it will be considered as third generation. Remember, one person will say 1, 10, and me. Why I said only 3 people? Because we are talking about the third generation, and it has the 3 keys. They are me, 1, and 10. That's it. I hope it's clear now. Let's go to the fourth generation. So how to remember the key of fourth generation? The key of fourth generation is PI, pie. So let's say the choco pie or some donut or a pie, something made with chocolate, that is called as a pie, choco pie. So this choco pie which costs around 4 rupees. So 4 rupees. Why I'm telling it as 4 rupees? Because we are talking about the fourth generation. Or let's say in another way, that is, if you eat one choco pie, you will continue eating 4 choco pies. Okay, you'll end up eating 4 choco pies every time. So we're going to talk about the fourth generation. That's how we need to remember. Pi is a keyword of fourth generation. So let's see the drugs. Cefepime. Cefepime will have pi. So this pi is there, so it belongs to fourth generation. And cefpirone. Cefpirone, it also has pi, so it belongs to fourth generation. So we are done with first, third, and fourth generation. We didn't speak about second generation. I'll be telling you about that soon. And next, let's talk about the fifth generation. Fifth generation is about something role. So how to remember the key word of fifth generation is role. So just for example, your role model or favorite celebrity will say hi to you. So she is a role model and she'll say hi. Hi means she'll have 5 fingers. 5 fingers only everyone has, right? So role. So this role model will say hi. So hi means show 5 fingers. So fifth generation will have role. Role is a keyword for fifth generation. I hope it is very much relating to fifth generation has role. So first generation we spoke about, first letter is alphabet A. Okay, let's revise everything. First generation will have the key is A. Second generation I'll be telling you soon. And the third generation is about in a room there are three people. One will say 1, and second one will say 10, and the third one will say me. Okay, so this is all about the third generation drugs. And the fourth generation drugs will have pi in it. Okay, so 4 pies or 1 pie costs around 4 rupees. Okay, and the next one is fifth generation. Fifth generation is about your favorite role model will say hi, which has she has fingers, 5 fingers, so role model will have 5 fingers. Role is a key for fifth generation. Now let's talk the last one about the second generation. Second generation is all about the excluding ones. Whatever you see, if some of the drugs which doesn't have me, whatever the keywords I have given about the first, third, and fourth and fifth generation keywords, if any of these keywords are not present in certain drug, that will be considered as the second generation. And that's it, guys. I hope it is very easy to memorize all the generations and how to differentiate them. I have given the most easiest keys ever, and I hope it will be easy for you to memorize them and crack the exam. Pharmacology drugs are very weird, right? And yeah, confusing too, but we can't ignore them because that is our weapon to become a best doctor. One very important thing I want to mention, especially for you guys, and that is I'm going to make a sessions of 500 pharmacology drugs. I'm going to make you memorize them and the action, uses of the drugs, and contraindications and side effects and dosage, everything about it. 500 drugs will be explained in 3 sessions. One session will be around 1 hour, and just within 3 hours we're going to learn them along with memorizing them, and the charges of each session is going to be just 100 rupees per session. It's simple, like pay 300 rupees and become a pro for 500 pharmacology drugs. So don't miss it. Let your friends also feel pharmacology is not a tough task because we are smart. Thank you so much for watching, and you can connect me through this WhatsApp number, and I'll be joining you in my WhatsApp group, and the name is Matrix Mata. So you can join there and you will be knowing the updates regarding the pharmacology 500 drugs made easy session. And thank you so much for watching. Catch you all soon.